Many businesses nowadays use SEO to target specific regions. However, if your goal is to increase your brand awareness and gain attention from nearby audiences, doing local SEO isn't enough. The solution to this is hyperlocal marketing. It can help you to increase foot traffic in the neighborhood by using hypertext keywords and on-page optimization. Hi everyone, this is Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to talk about what is hyperlocal SEO and how to make the best of hyperlocal SEO. Hyperlocal SEO is basically the same kind of SEO but for smaller, more focused areas such as neighborhoods, towns or streets, often with the intention of targeting people conducting near-me searches in their mobile devices. Hyperlocal SEO takes search engine optimization to a micro level. This new algorithmic push by Google focuses on person's current NAP, that is name, address and phone number, to give very personalized results to daily queries such as closest ATM near me or restaurants near me. Where to buy plus near me, such queries have increased more than 200% in the last 2 years, and over 50% of them have actually resulted in a physical store visit. Now, let us discuss how to make the best of hyperlocal SEO. Google My Business. The first and foremost thing you have to make sure of is to have a Google My Business page. By signing up to Google My Business, you can tell Google directly the name of your business, the exact location, its opening and closing time, contact details and other elements. Google My Business is just the starting point. Not only does Google My Business make it easier for people to know about your business, but it also improves the search experience of your customer, giving more at a glance information that the traditional search listings do. You can also make use of insights and analytics to give you an idea of how well your hyperlocal visibility is working. Second is location pages. If you have multiple locations for your business, you need to make sure you have a separate location page on your website for each business, because that almost gonna act as a standalone local page for each location. And if you have multiple locations, you want to make sure that you have a GMB listing for each of those location pages. For instance, we have multiple locations, and for each GMB which we have created a different location page. And when someone clicks on the website button on GMB, it takes them to that specific location page to make it highly specific for the users. Now, if you don't have multiple location pages and you still want to do hyperlocal targeting, you can create location pages for specific areas of your city. One thing that you need to make sure is you are not spamming it. You are not using the same content on all of your location pages that is actually valuable for readers, and you are giving actual insight that are specific to the area. For example, if you are a real estate agent in X city and you make a location page for Y area in X city, you might talk about unique real estate in that area, the challenges, the opportunities, or what the market area looks like for Y area instead of the entire X city. You are going to give some kind of value, and you are going to do that uniquely for all the neighborhoods and areas that you are trying to target. Now, if someone is in the Y area and they are looking for real estate or the best neighborhood in the Y area, you have a very good chance of showing up. Next is hyperlocal blog content. After making your location page, the next thing is your blog. And like I said, if you are a real estate agent, don't write blogs like tips for selling your house or something like that. You are not going to rank for it. What you can do is that you can start speaking specifically about the area and neighborhood in your city. So you can write blogs like the best 5 neighborhoods for families in Y area, or the best 5 neighborhoods in Y area under $1,000 or something like that. Do you know the benefit of these type of content? These are the types of content that bigger companies can't compete with. So you should create content specific to those areas, and what happens with that is as you are creating your location pages, blog pages, etc., it sends a signal to Google that you are a hyper-focused, hyper-local company that concentrates on this particular area. Now, the last one is advertising. You can start running targeted ad campaigns and you can do advertising with the help of Google AdWords or Facebook ads. If we talk about Google AdWords, all you have to do is decide on the central point of your radius targeting. The most companies would use the physical location of their store as the central point. For example, you can do this by entering the address of your radius centered directly to the search field in the radius targeting dialog box. Just as you would with any campaign, you should use dedicated keyword research tools to discover new keywords that could be suitable for near me searches. Now, let's quickly talk about Facebook ads. There are several highly effective and pretty cool ways to target prospect customers with Facebook ads, and one of the easiest is local awareness ads. This ad format aims squarely at local businesses seeking to raise awareness to their physical location and drive foot traffic to stores. You can use both of these tools to run your ad campaigns. They are really very helpful. So now, I hope you have learned a little bit about hyperlocal SEO, how it works and how it is different from local marketing. If you want to know more about online marketing, you can visit my YouTube channel. Now, I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward.